Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the vertical blur to in CapCut PC. So that's a new effect from CapCut, but this is Pro effect. You have to join Pro first to be able to use this effect. So in the trending you can find it. Here's vertical blur 2. So for example, I'm going to add that um, and just add effect, select vertical blur to make it shorter according to duration of the clip, and copy paste put on top the clip. Right. Sorry. Put on top the clip, and after done you are just going to add a transition. Right, add transition, select placement and set duration, lights on clip, see the result, and I'm just going to add more effect and just like camera shake. So this is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.